Alright, a new official week has started. The winter decides to make a return too, which is unfortunate, as it is still the early days of spring yet. April 17th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here, 8 to 32, coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian National's Barron, Maine, at milepost 129 with a video lined up for you. We have the L519 81 of the 17th show up here at this spot since 8:20, and she's gonna take off right now as just got the low idle out of the way. So just built up their train at Ladysmith Yard and is held its position there to have the conductor come back on board before it continues west. At 8:29 we had a northbound on the Superior Submain make the pass with a GMO to lead it. I got a feeling the 5454 has gone up to high idle at the moment, as it is on trailing isolated. So we have the SD60 duo of the 5421 and 5454 do the honors, as we'll get ready to head westbound to make deliveries on the Barron submain. I imagine she's going to have a lot of cars until that 563 brought up over the weekend. 563.81 of the 15th and 16th. The 5421 should now have authority on the Barron submain from mile 126 to milepost 87. Northbound on the Superior submain should already be near Murray at this moment, as it's rolling through the town of Flambeau. This is getting ready to depart West Ladysmith. Still have the winter storm warning remaining in effect until 10 this morning for my area. You may see up to 4 to 10 inches out of this. As blizzard warnings continue along the Lake Superior snow belt until 7 p.m. for Bayfield, Douglas, Ashland, and Iron counties, as They may see up to 14 inches. With Iron County, you might see the heaviest of 15 to 19 inches of new snow up there. I'm sure that might add on to the flooding concerns, as we have a lot of areas in Minnesota and in the Dakotas. Some good flooding going on due to the snow melt we had. So we're less than 90 minutes away from the winter storm warning to be allowed to expire. This area, but I'm pretty sure it's going to continue for areas to the east yet, as the backside of this system has yet to move out. And startup confirmed, as the forward signal has been made. Check them out on the roadway right now as we lean back and get them. Conductor came out for a moment and is in a seat. See the M3 horns on the 5421 is reversed. Sand empties to begin with. And 2 liquid propane tank loads with some more sand hoppers in tow. Maybe some loads also, but I doubt it. A 61 by 2 for the deliveries for the 5/19/81 of the 17th. Here is the last of it. It is this SEJX 1035. End of train device is going. That'll do it for today's 5/19/81 of the 17th for now, until it makes the return later this morning into the early afternoon. That'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.